30-day spoken English course, Day 1, Greetings and Basic Conversations. Lesson objective, learn how to greet people in different situations. Practice introducing yourself. Understand basic polite expressions. Wash 1. Greetings and responses. Formal greetings used in professional or respectful settings. Good morning. Response, good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Response, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about formal greetings used with friends, family, or casual situations? Hi, hello, hello, hey. Response, hey, what's up? How's it going? It's going well, how about you? 2. Introducing yourself. Basic introduction. Hello, my name is your name. What's your name? I am your name. Nice to meet you. I'm your name. I am from your country city. Hi, I'm your name. I work as your profession. Example conversation. A. Hello, my name is Alex. What's your name? Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. And you? I'm from the USA. 3. Common polite expressions. Excuse me, to get someone's attention politely. Sorry, to apologize. Thank you, to express gratitude. You're welcome, response to thank you. Please, to make a polite request. Hash 4, practice exercises. Practice with a friend. Try greeting someone and introducing yourself. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and say, hi, I'm your name. Nice to meet you. Write and speak. Write a short self-introduction and say it aloud. 5. Homework for Day 1. Greet at least 3 people today in English. Introduce yourself to someone in English. Write a short paragraph about yourself and read it aloud. Great job. Keep practicing and see you in Day 2.